What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees and back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all my skates. Now, I already tried them on and all that, so I already know they fit. And I've already went outside with them as well. I went around the car. Yeah, so I went on a hike, and then my delivery came while I was at the hike. So my mama got the package or whatever. And then as soon as I came in, I took off my shoes. I didn't shower, didn't do nothing. Took off my shoes, got my skates, and yeah, I put them on and everything. You can see they're a little dirty. They're a little dirty. But yeah, so these are my skates. These are Impala roller skates. The box is so freaking pretty. It look like these. It look like these. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, these are my skates. I got a size 10. I got a size 9, and the 9 didn't fit. In some shoes I'm a 9, and then in some shoes I'm a 10. So it really just depends on the brand and shit like that. But I got these off of the Impala website. I got a 9, and like I said, they didn't fit, so I had to send them back. Impala is based in California. They're based in LA. So I got my skates within a day, and then I shipped them back. I got them within 2 days because of 4th of July holiday. So yeah, but these are my skates. These are the leopard print and red. Y'all know if you don't know, my favorite color is red. And yeah, so that one rolls pretty perfectly. I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff like that. They actually, I probably might have to loosen that one, and that one's good. So I have a little what is this? I have a little tool here. This is like my skate tool. I'm going to try to loosen it. I don't know which way you turn it. Okay, so this is the other way. And you don't want them too tight. You want them like that. Like, you see the difference? So I'm gonna loosen this one a little bit more. But you don't want it to like come off, you know what I'm saying? Like, you see how that one rolls perfectly? And this is just so you can go faster. But I'm a beginner, so I really shouldn't be doing this. Yeah. There we go. I think those are good. And then I'm gonna loosen these, because you know, manufacturers. Okay, yeah. And if you don't loosen them, it's gonna feel like you skating in mud. So damn, I forgot which way I did it. Okay, this one is pretty good. You see how that stopped? Yeah, I gotta loosen this one. And I got this skate tool off of Amazon. Okay, you see now? I'm gonna loosen this one just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So boom, we're in there literally. So these are my skates, y'all. I'm not gonna, I was gonna skate like in my neighborhood, but genuinely I don't want y'all knowing where I live, you know what I'm saying? And it's really no way to, I'm trying to, with my mama car in the front, it's no way to, it's no way to park, it's no way to skate in the driveway unless I go around her car. And I don't want to like fall on her car, you know, accidentally or nothing like that. So she had to park her car on the street, which I know she ain't finna go for that. Well, I don't know, she might. But then again, I'm gonna need somebody to hold my camera. And I just don't feel like people be outside all the time, these damn badass kids and shit like that. So it's just like, I don't want nobody talking to me, you know. I don't want nobody talking to me and doing all that, you know. So, yeah, I don't know what this is for. But I know this is to loosen like your trucks so they can like move. Or are these trucks bearings, whatever they call it, I don't really know. I'm looking forward to skating. I'm looking forward to doing some skating content and all of that. They smell a little funny. Like when they came out the box, I was like, they smell a little funny, but yeah. These are my impala skates. They're so pretty. I love red and I love leopard print, cheetah print, stuff like that. The boot feels really, really comfortable on. Like it's nice and thick. It's a nice thick boot and it doesn't feel bad or nothing like that. But I cannot wait to break these in and just fall and stuff like that. When I put these on, I was fine, you know. I was good, like I didn't fall or nothing like that. Yeah, so I'm ready to get out there. I'm gonna show y'all my fanny pack because I'm a little extra. So I got this fanny pack off of Amazon. I wanted it to match my skates, which doable. But yeah, the reason why I wanted a fanny pack is because to keep my skate tool in as well if I need to loosen them or tighten them, and just to keep all of my essentials and stuff like my keys, my sanitizer, you know, my phone. So I went hiking, right? It was hot as hell outside. It was like 90 degrees and this was left in the car, so it melted. So I need to put this in the refrigerator. I was gonna use it, but I need to put it in the refrigerator so it can, you know, like harden up a little bit, get back to its consistency, because it is melted right now. That thing is done for. But anyway, yeah, I got this fanny pack because, you know, I want to carry my essentials, my phone. You know, when I'm skating, I don't want to be wearing a crossbody and I want my stuff on me, especially if I'm at the beach or, you know, a skating rink. I don't want to set anything down. I want to have it all on me. That's why I got the fanny pack. And of course it has to match the skates, because who would I, like, come on now, come on now. But yeah, y'all, I look forward to the skating videos. I'm definitely finna be skating on Venice Beach, at Venice Beach, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be you know, skating at water beaches and some skate parks here in LA. Definitely gonna try. I did get some safety equipment, like some safety pads and elbow pads and stuff like that, but they're too small and they itch. Like, I got them off of Amazon. They were black because I want everything to match, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get pink elbow pads and then black cheetah red skates like that. No. So I want either black pads or red pads, and the ones that I got off Amazon were all black. They were like, it was like $26 or something like that, and they itch. Like when I put them on, when I tell you that material, I don't know what it is with that material, but I put it on my knee and I put it on my arm right here. Itching bad. No, we're not doing that, and it didn't fit. So I don't recommend getting your, I'm gonna get the Impala, but I was trying to go cheaper, and that's probably what I get for going cheap. Those pads were like $20, $26, something like that, but the Impala ones are $50. So I was trying to, you know, go the cheaper route or whatever, but that ain't happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with Impala, get, you know, Impala stuff. And Impala also has a skate bag as well. It doesn't match my skates, but I think I'm gonna buy it because it's a heart shape. And so yeah, they have a skate bag as well. But I definitely love these, and I'm going to skate in these and everything like that. Like, I've been wanting skates for so long, and I finally got them. I'm 24 and I'm learning how to skate, and what better place to do that than California with the scenery, and I can skate by the ocean, and I can skate, you know, on trails and shit like that. Oh, I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. Stop it. I'm ready. So yeah, I hope you guys follow me on this journey. Let me know if you skate. What's your favorite hobby? Do you like to skate? What do you like to do? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have a pair of skates? When was the last time you skated? I would love to know all of your answers down below in the comment section. Let me know. I got a size 10. They do say size is best to size up than size down, but they're true to size. But my thing is, I got weird feet, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I wear a 9, sometimes I wear a 10. I got a 9 in Impala skates, and the 9 was too small. The 10 fits just right. So it really just, you just gotta see. And I mean, if you gotta take them back, you gotta take them back. But the shipping is great, especially if you live in California. Like, the shipping is gonna be A1, you know what I'm saying? I got my, like, literally, I ordered the first pair of skates. I ordered those at, like, it was Thursday. I ordered them at 3 o'clock in the morning. The next day, Friday, it was out for delivery, because that's how close it is. Like, it's in LA. So if you live in LA and you need to take your skates back to the warehouse or whatever, you good. And they also have, you know, they have Tilly's. They sell these skates in Tilly's, and they sell them what's that store? I forgot. I don't know. Just type in Impala skates, and there are some places that Zoomies sells Impala skates. Now these, I got these for a discount, okay? There's like a summer sale going on. I don't remember how much they are originally. I think they're like $119 or something like that. But these, I got these for like $50 because of the sale, and you know, plus shipping. So it was like, my total came up to like $66. These are like $100 skates, and I got them for $66 because of the Impala sale. Yeah, we love that. We love a good sale. So yeah, I'm ready. I am ready for this journey. Hopefully y'all are ready to come with me for the Impala skate journey. Okay, welcome to the ground. Ow, I just hit my toe. That hurt. But yeah, you all, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Cheese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice as well. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.